You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player, part of the French national rugby team. Grégory Alldritt is how we say it in France. Alright, so let's break it down. Grégory Alldritt. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, here is a suggestion on how to say it for English speakers. Grégory Alldritt. Alldritt, not Aldrit, Alldritt. Grégory Alldritt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.